On New Year's, one of my friends sent me a cartoon. In the cartoon, one character says to the other, "What exactly is a New Year's resolution anyway?" And the friend responds, "It's a to-do list for the first week of January." Well, January is here, and so are New Year's resolutions, and 95% of them are so big, hairy, and audacious that by next month, they're simply out of mind. Now, we all know we're more successful when we focus on incremental baby steps toward a bigger goal. Today, I want to share 3 baby actions that can change your life. These actions are doable, achievable, and we all can benefit from them. After I share these baby actions, I'll also share a favorite quote for the new year, because these days we can all use a bit of inspiration. I've been sitting a lot, and I bet you have been too. With work from home continuing, we need to add some activity into our lives, the kind that happened naturally when we commuted or moved around the office. So the first baby action to change your life this year is to stand up once every hour. You can stand up and stretch. You can actually move to the kitchen to get your glass of water. If you live in an apartment building, you can walk the stairs to get your mail. Movement not only stimulates the body, it also stimulates our brains. The next baby action step to change your life this year is be extra kind. Everyone is experiencing some degree of stress. So every one of us needs a bit of extra love. This action step is to add one additional gesture of kindness every single day. That can be making someone a cup of tea, or sending a team member an unexpected thank you note. Could be greeting someone you normally ignore with a big greeting and smile. A gesture of kindness can also be choosing not to react negatively to something that annoyed you, because it probably wasn't a very big deal, was it? Your last baby action step for the year is to flex your superpower. Every one of us is blessed with something we're really great at. That's a superpower. What's your superpower? This is the time to put your superpower on steroids. So let's say you're great at structure or organizing things. Volunteer to clean up that mess of documents that's been floating around your team. Are you someone who has great people insight? You can offer to mentor, coach, or counsel someone at work. Are you a great cook? Throw a Zoom cooking event for your team. Use your superpower to add value and stand out. So skip the scary resolutions. Instead, go for the easy, everyday baby actions that will make a huge difference for you and for others this year. And for a bit of inspiration, here's a quote that I just love. No matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. Happy New Year. Please take a moment to subscribe and have a blast.